Traders, welcome back. It's Friday. We've made it. It's Friday, the 6th of October, and we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the big news for today as well. And there is some big news. But let's start with yesterday's trades, guys. And let's start with Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. We were trying to short this pair. Why were we trying to short it? Well, it was clearly in a downtrend. Okay, so structurally, we was in a downtrend, tick, yeah. Secondly, we broke some support here, and then when it retested, became nice resistance, yeah, tick. And guys, if we zoom in, we was getting a nice reaction away from this area of support, now resistance. Okay, tick. So we were just trying to take price back down to these last daily lows. Okay, and that's still the plan, really. If we drop down to the H1, we actually got in on this candle, guys. But let me show you on the H4. There's like a zone within a zone. Yeah, like magic. There's this zone through here. Yeah, where price keeps reacting, okay, and we keep selling from it. So yeah, that's the zone I wanted to show you, just so we can see it. And then on the H1, guys, I just reacted on this reaction. We got this reaction at our grey zone, okay. I entered around here, yeah, sold here, put my stop up here, gave it a bit of room above these highs. My first target was down to this last area of support, yeah. Again, not rocket science, guys, and closed 80% at this level. I'm now in this trade for 20%, and I'm going to just let it run, yeah. And once it comes back down to here, I might close 10% and then leave another 10% to run. All right, and that is exactly how I traded it, and I put this trade in the VIP Discord channel, guys, where I put all of my trades. So yeah, that's where we are with Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Good trade. I hope some of you guys got in on this as well. If we we're going to go down. Not going to go down either. We are going to look at pound Aussie dollar now. This was the second trade from yesterday. And if we drop down to the day chart, don't know why I keep saying drop, you will see we were looking for buys. And why were we looking for buys? Well, we was in a downtrend. Yeah. Okay. This was the last lower high. Yeah. We also had these lows that were just about holding, and this grey zone was holding. And then, you know, we got this push up with this candle here, breaking this high with the body of this candle. It's the body that needs to break it, guys. And we now have higher highs. And for that reason, guys, we've been looking for buys in these two grey zones with the idea to take price up to here. If we drop down, this was more of a H4 play yesterday, guys, all right? So if we drop down to the H4, you can see these were our two grey zones that we were interested in, okay? And it was actually the second grey zone, literally touched it to a pip, and then we got this real bullish green candle. So it was on the back of that, guys, that we got in on this trade. We waited for a slight retrace. So we got in around here. Okay. We've put our stop below here. I've actually put it below this 9050 level. Yeah, if I can hide behind a psychological level, I will. And that's where we are, guys. Yeah, this is going to be our first target. Yeah, so this is TP1. Okay, and yeah, we're still in this trade, obviously, guys. We haven't hit target. We'll see what happens today. But looking at the day chart, I still like this trade. So let's see. That's the pound Aussie dollar trade from yesterday. We're still in it. And again, I put this trade in the VIP Discord channel. You can find all of my trades there. All right, guys. So that was the two trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, maybe you took some of the trades, then come join us. I give you my trade ideas every day and the levels to trade them from. So yeah, come join us, guys. Subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. Everyone, please smash the notification button as well so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, guys. Yeah, help support the vid and the channel. Thank you. Right, trades for Friday the 6th of October. There's loads of trades today, guys. But before I do, let me just mention a few things the channel does. You may be interested. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. Yeah, you've got loads of value in there. You've got traders sharing knowledge, ideas. You've got indicators, psychology, useful links, books, loads of cool things, guys. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about anything to do with trading or something you need help with. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We have two other traders, expert traders, sharing their ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week, and you get access to a performance coach. So loads of value in the VIP Discord, guys. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade and trade like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you the information of the mentorship program. Okay, the email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch my live streams, my analysis vids every day and would like to show your support, well, you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. And there's different tiers. You've got silver, gold, legend, and each tier has more and more perks, guys. All right, so check that out as well. Yeah, check it all out. It's all in the video description. So trades for Friday the 6th of October. I am seeing New Zealand dollar strength. There you go, guys. So buy it. No, I'm only joking. We're going to look at a few trades. And I don't care why we're seeing New Zealand dollar strength. You know, when I say this, people are like, oh, is it the, you know, is it the manufacturing in New Zealand? Is it the CPI figures? Is it the dairy industry? You know, is it the interest rate? You know, I do not care. I know from the charts, New Zealand dollar is strong. That's all I need to know. So with that in mind, our first trade is this, guys, New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, so we broke this key level through here, guys. All right. So it was in an uptrend here, yeah, at this point. Because if you just follow, you know, structure down, it was in an uptrend as soon as we broke this level, okay? But we kept buying into this level, which we know is a level of support. So we never really had a trade. You know, we couldn't trade this candle because we were at resistance, couldn't trade this candle because we're at resistance. But now we've had this candle, yeah, which has broken this level, and we've got room up to this level here, guys. All right, so so now we do have a trade, and we are seeing some Canadian dollar weakness, guys, because of oil is dropping like a stone. Yeah, you know, there's that correlation there. So yeah, we're looking to buy. If we drop down to the H4, it's a bit of a H4 play. This is a daily level, but I'm not going to change it. Yeah, this is a good daily level, and it works well on the H4 as well. So, yeah, what we want to see, guys, is a retrace down into this grey zone. It could be back at these highs with this moving average 20 catching up. Yeah, once we get down to here, I want to see a bullish reaction, and then we can start buying this pair. All right, this could be your first target, depends on how low this retraces, and then leave some money to run, guys. All right, so New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, we like this grey zone for buying this pair. So yeah, that's the first trade idea. The next strong New Zealand dollar pair is this, Aussie dollar New Zealand. Yeah, we've been trading this a couple of times this week. And again, not much has changed. If we start with the day chart, yeah, we're in a downtrend. Okay. It broke this support. It's now become resistance. And then look at yesterday's candle. Very bearish. Yeah. And we still have room back down to these lows, if not further, guys. Okay. Because if I zoom out, yeah, you'll see there's another area we could aim for down here with all this price action down here. All right. So, yeah, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Let's go to the H4. Yeah, let's go to the H4. This makes sense. So we've got a couple of levels to choose to trade this from, get my teeth in. So price currently is in a H4 downtrend. So we like that, first of all. So price could retrace to this last low, which it already has. But now we want to see a bearish reaction. All right. And then we can start selling this pair back down to here, if not further. Or, guys, it might want to come back all the way back up to these highs here and this zone here. Yeah. And if it does, we're just, again, waiting for a bearish reaction. And when I say reaction, bullish or bearish, you know, I'm looking for a candle that tells me sellers or buyers are in control. If I'm selling the market, I want to see sellers in control. If I'm buying the market, I want to see buyers in control. So in this situation, I want to see a candle that tells me sellers are in control. And it could be a H1 and or a H4 candle. Okay. Either level, we're going to look to take price back down to here, if not further. Let's finish the New Zealand dollar trio that I am looking at. So the third one is this, guys. New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. So let's start with the weekly chart here, because for me, it has broken this weekly level. Yeah, there was this weekly level through here, and this is, you know, broken that level, and it's punched through the moving average 20. Okay, so you know this is an aggressive uptrend. All right, breaking this level, and the day chart, you know, tells us this as well. I mean, look how bullish this pair's been. All right, and now if I zoom in a little bit, you can see we've got a bullish reaction here, and we can just come back up to these last highs. Yeah, as simple as that, guys. That's the idea. So we're in an uptrend, bullish candle, take price back to the last daily highs. Again, not rocket science, guys. If we drop down to the H4 now, we're going to look for, well, let's look at the H1 actually. You'll still see these levels. It looks a bit of a mess here because we've got grey zones within grey zones, but I'm not going to move my weekly, daily grey zones. So these are the two zones we're interested in, this one and this one. Okay, this is a big weekly level. So, yeah, and why have I chose those levels? Well, you can see where price has reacted many times at these levels, and also in here, guys. Look at all these reactions in here. Yeah, they are important levels for that reason. If price reacted historically at these levels, chances are they will react again. So we've got an aggressive and conservative way of trading this. All right, so the conservative way is we wait for a break of this level. So we get a candle that pushes through here, nice big green candle, yeah, and we can start buying from here. A breakout trade. You would need to put your stop, you know, below a last swing low. Okay, so that would be the first conservative trade, yeah, and we break this level, carry on up. The more aggressive trade would be a retrace into this zone, yeah, where price has reacted down here. And then we get a bullish reaction, and then we start taking price higher. All right, so New Zealand Swiss franc, that's what we're looking for there as well. So, yeah, lots of New Zealand dollar strength. There's more trade ideas, trade ideas, guys. But before I do, guys, let me just remind you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already and would like to receive my trade ideas every day, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the vid and the channel. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel, got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership. All right, all those things are in the video description. Next, guys, pound Aussie dollar. We still like this trade as well. So again, not much has changed here. Let's start with the weeklies just so I can show you this level again. So we've got a weekly level through here where price has reacted many times. It's also in a weekly uptrend. Yeah. Still in an uptrend until it breaks this low. All right. And we're getting a bit of a bullish reaction. Obviously, these candles haven't finished, but we're getting a bullish reaction. You know, a swing trader would potentially take this trade up to here. If we go down to the day chart now, yeah, and as I said before, guys, not much has changed. Yeah, we were in a downtrend, yeah, created a last lower high, came back down, didn't create new lower lows, price broke up, and this candle here broke this high. So as soon as we saw this candle, I'm interested in buys, and I still am. And if you look at the wicks, guys, yeah, on these candles, this is all, you know, these are buying wicks. This is rejection of price down here. Okay. If we drop down to the H4 now, our grey zones still haven't changed either. Yeah. So what we're looking for, guys, is a bullish reaction in here or a bullish reaction in here. Yeah. Simple as that. It might want to come down to these last lows again. Yeah. And then we get a bullish reaction. But either or, guys, it's just going to be a bullish reaction in here or in here. And once we get that reaction, we can start buying this pair. You know, these last highs would be my first target. Take some profit, let some profit run. All right. So those are the trade ideas for today, guys. There are many, many. So, guys, yeah, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 6th of October, guys. China is still on holiday. Does any work get done there? And also, guys, overnight we had retail sales of Aussie dollar as expected. Okay, but the first piece of news we're interested in is this. And we've got a flurry of news, guys. Yeah, so at 1:30 London GMT, hold on to your hats. We have got 3 million pieces of big news. So first one to point out, guys, is NFPs. Yeah, it's non-farm payrolls today, so we know this is a big one. But to go alongside that, we've also got average hourly earnings, yeah, month on month, another 3-star rating. We've got unemployment rate, yeah, another 3-star rating, guys. And at the same time, but also all of these are important, guys, as well. All right. So lots of news coming out of 1:30 for the US. So this is really going to move the market. This is going to move all pairs, really, but mainly US dollar pairs. And at the same time, we've got Canadian dollar big news. So these at 1:30, these are both 3-star ratings for me, not 2-star ratings, because this is big employment data. We've got the employment change and the unemployment rate, guys. So, you know, imagine being in US dollar, Canadian dollar. That one is going to be super buck wild. So there you go, guys. Yeah, the big news all happening at 1:30 today, London GMT. And then after that, no other news to speak of. All right. So, yeah, have a great trading day, a great weekend, guys. And I will catch up with you on Monday. See you later.